Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a Golf 1.8 turbo in for tuning, so let's take a look. On my pre-tune health checks, I do a smoke check, and this checks for air leaks basically, and this car failed on that with some split pipes on the PCV system and the actual one-way valve. I'll show you those. Just over here, looking at my camera. So this is your one-way valve, which is broken, which actually stops boost going into the breather system when it's on positive pressure, which it's not doing. And this little hose, very common, you see that split. So basically this is a boost leak. And what I did, I'd run the car with these leaks. I found them and I've run it just so we could show what a difference they make. It's just these little two bits. So I'll show you that dyno. Here's a quick dyno of how the car came in, and all they've done is fix the air leaks from those pipes replaced. And the car came in with only 125 horsepower, now we've got 147 and 145 foot-pound to 183 foot-pound. So 22 horsepower and 38 foot-pound of torque gain before tuning, just by fixing air leaks. So just shows it's worth doing some health checks before tuning. Now we're ready to give it some more boost. Okay, we'll move on to problem number 2 now. We started to tune the car, and any more load than stock, it's started to misfire. I know it's not the plugs, because in the pre-checks I put new plugs in and gapped them. So we've got VCDS on. Let's take a look. What we've got the misfire counters up. We can use VCDS. You can see there, the 4 cylinders up. And then underneath we'll put a bit of load on the dyno. The car's stuttering, and you can see there misfire count cylinder 2's gone straight to 26. So more than likely a coil pack, super common on these. I'll get that swapped out and we'll carry on. That's coil pack swapped out. That's what a coil pack looks like if you don't know. Cylinder 1 went in there. So run the car back up on the dyno. I've been holding it, but it's hotter than the core of the earth. So let's carry on. Right then guys, that's this job wrapped up today. So when it came in, like we showed before, we were 125 horsepower, 145 foot-pound of torque, and you can see our graphs here in the black, and then this is us making our gains. This is the run where we started to misfire, and then we chopped that run short, and then we fixed it, then we carried on. And where we've ended up is 204 horsepower and 248 foot-pound of torque. So today we have made from this car 84 horsepower and 103 foot-pound of torque from just fixing a few problems and a stage 1 tune. Good result, I'd say. That's it for this video, guys. We're not breaking any barriers here by tuning an older 1.8T Golf, but I just thought I'd show you. Sometimes things don't always go to plan on these older cars, and it makes the pre-checks even more worth the bother. because you find these things and, well, the gains speak for themselves really. So if you do me the massive favour of liking this video, subscribing to the channel and make us a comment, and I'll see you later.